She wants to go to a barn.
Is that it? No.
Darn.
Is this what you wanted, Wyatt?
Hawaiian
No. Okay, Toas, how is everyone doing today? We are about to go do some holiday shop. This is crazy. Okay, we are gonna change this up. All right, everybody. We are gonna do another, because I feel like we need it, no talking challenge.
No!
That's right.
Yes.
But Dad's excited. This time it's gonna be no talking shopping challenge.
What?
Okay, you guys don't have to go shopping. Just Mom and I'll shop, and then you guys can't talk.
No. I want to come shopping. I'm fine with that. Let's do it.
Okay, so we have a little twist. They have to act out what store we're gonna go to, and then once we guess what that store is, we'll go there, and then they have to act it out to Dad.
Uh-oh.
Dad has to guess what they want, and Dad has to go and find it. So if he brings it back, and that's the item they want, they get it. They get 3 attempts, whether to find the one item or to find 3 separate items if they get it. So the person who actually gets the most items will win.
Okay, so
Is that how we're gonna do
each
this?
kid gets 3 items. They explain it to me. I have to find it.
You have to go 3 times, and if you get it wrong the first time, then they don't get that item.
Got it.
Yeah?
Yep.
So we'll see how many items they get. No talking in 3, 2, 1. And as always, if they talk, they are eliminated out of the game and they do not get their item. Who's ready for holiday shopping? I am, because it's gonna be quiet. It looks like somebody's ready to go. Raquel wants to pick a store first. Okay, little house on the prairie. No, cottage. A mall, bra. She wants to go bra shopping? She wants to go to a barn.
She wants to go to a barn.
Kids.
Barn.
Barn doors?
And Noble.
Barnes
Of
and
course
Noble.
she wants to go to a bookstore.
First stop is Raquel Bookstore.
That was really
But you know what's
clever,
gonna be
right?
hard? How she's gonna guess or act out the perfect thing that she wants so Dad finds it. This is awesome. No talking during the whole thing. Clay is trying to text me. I thought Barnes and Noble was a bike store. Nope. It's all about books. All parents should do this. No talking while you shop. Bookstore is perfect for no talking because we have to be quiet. So Raquel's going to act out to Dad a specific book she wants, and Dad has to go find it. Once you get the idea of what book it is, you can't say it out loud. You just have to go and find it.
Oh, look at the billions of books in here. Bright Way, Flash, Way, Flash Path, Flashback.
Go and find Flashback. Oh, here he comes. Is it the book? She got 1 item. Are you ready for item number 2? Oh, you can't point out words. Hey, here comes Dad. Okay, what is it?
Those are the 3 you pointed at, right? But instead of this one, how about we trade it out? We have 1 signed copy from the author left in the store that he pulled out from behind the desk for me. They were in here and they actually signed it in purple ink. There's 3 items.
Okay, Raquel got her 3 items. Who's next? All right, Cora is up. Earrings.
Oh, I know what store it is.
Claire's?
Claire's.
Okay, we're going to Claire's for Cora.
Here we go.
All right, here we go. Is that for Evie or Cora or both? Both. Okay, tell Dad what you want. Okay, first item from Cora. Eyes, ears, mouth and nose? No? Oh. Something with a unicorn.
Here we go.
Here
No,
we
no,
go.
I don't think it was. We'll see.
Okay.
Okay, can I bring both?
No, you have to bring one thing, and if it's not right.
They're not gonna want this, even though I want this. I'm gonna get a lion, even though it doesn't have big ears.
A unilion?
Unilion.
All right, let's see. if she wants
Linocorn.
it. Was that it?
You can't go out of the store now.
No.
You can't go out of the store.
Okay.
The alarms will go off.
Okay. All right, put it in the shopping basket. Okay, that's 1 item. Now Evie gets to choose to do an item. Oh, that's easy. Of course she went for the biggest item.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Okay, let's
Ready?
see if this is right. Is that it?
You guys
Okay.
are blocking the entrance.
All right, go to the side. Okay, Cora, item number 2.
Okay.
Something rainbow. Okay. Rainbow and lips.
Okay, here's the best I can do. I have this, and it goes like this, and it's like a rainbow, and there's lip glosses of different flavors.
Thumbs down. That wasn't it.
Darn, I thought it was so good.
Okay. All right, Evie's turn for try number 2. Something with a nose and ears.
And it runs.
And it runs.
And it flies.
Runs
and it
and flies?
Like a reindeer. Rudolph.
A Rudolph.
Does his nose turn on? I have to like
But he has
press.
no antlers. Is that it? No.
Darn.
What was it?
Oh, she wants it to put on her.
Hey, Corey, your third
Okay,
item.
okay,
Ready? Here we go.
wait,
Be
wait.
descriptive.
Okay, I'm ready. Flies. And it has a unicorn on. And it is a unicorn that flies.
Oh.
Look at this flying unicorn pig.
It does look like a pig. Is this it? All right.
Wow, so we got 2 out of 3.
Okay, you got
Not
2
too
out of
bad.
3. All right, Evie, you're up.
Oh! Do I get a second try on this one? You really want it then? Okay,
Okay.
this.
All right.
Redeemed.
Okay, let's go purchase our items. You both got 2 of your 3 chances. Good job, girls. All right, so we have 3 kids down. So far, Raquel is in the running with 3 points. Okay, who is up next? Okay, Clay. Or Wyatt. Clay, Wyatt. Wyatt and Clay. Okay, Clay, it is. Where are we going to? Oh, Wyatt's gonna take her down. Wyatt.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Wyatt, you want to go to what store? You want to go to Journeys? Okay. Hey, you got to tell Dad. Come over to Dad. Wait. Okay, he's got to tell
I
Dad.
know exactly what he wants.
Do you think you can find it?
I don't see him.
Is it soccer shoes?
No.
Apparently, I don't know what he wants, so it's a good thing I'm not looking. Are those what
Is
you
this
want?
what you wanted?
We got to see if they fit, though, dude. Wow.
With the sick pink soles, killing me.
That's pretty cool. Okay, let's see if these fit. All right, buddy. Looks like the shoe is it. You know what number 2 item is? Should we move on to someone else? Who's next? Okay, Clay knows what she wants.
Clay's
now.
turn. Ew. Gross.
Stinky. She wants something to smell.
She wants some. Oh, you perfume, lotion.
Okay, we're at the store. All right, you gotta tell Dad what you
This is
want.
the right store. It's the right store. Okay,
Yes.
high five.
Spritz.
Facial spray, body spray, toque spray. Okay, body spray. Hula hoop. Hula. Hawaiian. Body spray. Hawaiian body spray.
Oh, out. She is out. She's totally out. She just lost her
I don't
chance
get
to
anything.
shop.
It's okay.
Aw.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Shades up. Who wants a scarf?
A tie.
All right, Dad, I want something.
Well, if you want something, guess what? You have to explain it to me in no words. Pinching, tickling, milking a cow. Oh, that's violent. Peanut butter and jelly.
I'm gonna buy my own thing.
Mom's out. Okay, Mom's getting some holiday nuts or something. Shay, you and I are gonna go. We don't want to waste any more time. Okay, we're here. Come here. Okay, you have to explain to me what you want. James Bond. Pew, pew. Church? The church. Here's the steeple. Wait. Open the doors, see all the people. Close the doors, hear them pray. Open the doors, they all run away. We played that with the kids in church like all the time to make them laugh and be loud in church to embarrass us. Shay just said any. He just said any. I'm gonna rewind the footage. You said any. Dude, you totally talked. You said, I don't know, any. Did you talk? You talked. You said any. You just said no. No. I can hear you. Shay's out. You We just lost. All right, guys, Shay's out. You just said no again. I just heard him say no. Well, we're gonna go look for ties anyways, and then we'll go back to mom and finish the game. Here we go. All right, I just tormented the dude by letting him see the ties, even though he talked. And he's not even following me. Wyatt! Let's ditch him. Let's ditch him. Mom,
The jalapeno.
I was about to get Shay an epic time, and guess what?
Did he talk?
He totally.
No, I
I said,
didn't
"What
know.
do you want? What do you want?" And he goes, "Any." I heard it. I think everyone heard it. Right now, Raquel's gonna win. The only way for Raquel not to win, if I can get you 2 more items, because I got your first item. So if we can get you 2 more, then it's between you and Raquel.
Okay, here we go.
You ready? Bubblegum. How do you find bubblegum in a mall? Oh, there's a total vending machine right there.
Okay,
High five.
let's go. Bubblegum it is.
I don't have any quarters. Who has a quarter?
I do. Okay, now Wyatt has to tell you.
What flavor?
flavor?
Without pointing. Okay, I'm on this.
Okay, here we go.
That one's locked out. How are these all locked? Hey, fruit-shaped bubble gum with candy seeds? Super weird. I got you a strawberry. I know what you wanted. Is that what you wanted?
That was by default. That was Dad's
Okay,
fault.
so, I'm ready. Doing a blanket. A snuggly blanket.
Snuggly snowman.
Snuggly chest piece.
Sleeping bag. Cuddly. A cuddly Santa.
I'm gonna risk it and go all the way to the back of this store because I think I see something.
Okay, go Dad, go. Hey, I think Dad found something. Is this what you wanted, Wyatt?
Dang it! Look, I can snuggle him and he's Santa and he has a bell on his hat.
And he has presents for you.
Just kidding. I know you wanted a stuffed animal Santa Claus. This is all they had though.
Oh. Okay, so looks like Raquel is our winner. Now, because she actually won, she gets to act out to us because I'm hungry and I'm starving. Where to go to dinner? Here we go. Raquel, you get to choose. Where
You're
are we
so
going
good
to
at
dinner?
this.
Does that mean we can talk?
She talked.
She talks.
Hey, but it's the end.
Oh.
Now you don't get dessert.
All right, she doesn't know. Looks like our day has ended. Oh, she knows.
Clay, you can talk. You already died.
Harmon's, please. It's cheap, but there's lots of food there. Please. All right, we're going to Harmon's. Okay, if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up.
But make sure to comment down below some other no talking videos you think we should do, because I think we like these videos.
And I kind of dig the peace and quiet.
A big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. And hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time.
We out!
Иди, и если ты все еще дышишь, значит включи заново, чтобы звучало больно, пышно, пока адреналин не выжмет из тебя вышку, пока децибелы не станут прожигать лампочки вспышками. Если лимиты превышены, то один эффект, иди эффектом ферик, лови эффект кипитек. Наш диалект способен поломать твои извилины, без стиля, без усилий. Мы лишь вирус на любом носителе, и мы всего лишь 25-й кадр твоего слуха гипнотизируем, ведь разум подчиняется звукам. И эта мания подобна настоящей магии, что разрывает от начала до конца твое сознание.
One.